guys, here I'm at the shooting range right now. Look at all these guns though. Huh, look at all these guns, huh, Junior? Look at all these guns. Look, sniper, machine gun. I'll post this on YouTube. Be on YouTube. Oh, crap. Come on. Come on, man. Woo. YouTube, say hi.
2 minutes to stay clear. 2 minutes for the next big fight.
He got something to do.
Yeah. I was used to the regular one. These are now much better. Yeah.
Fun. Fun. This is fun. Where's Junior going?
Alright, keep it on the front.
Going to get up.
I can tell you where it's hitting. No, you're not even close.
That big stick, guys. Ah. You're shooting?
Go over there.
Oh, alright. I'll be back, guys. After this. Man, that was crazy. I feel like there's something else in my ear, dude.
Take out the glass. Oh,
Where? Right there?
like under. No, the earpiece one.
I'm keeping them. They're mine. Sit him down. This is the one I'm gonna be shooting, guys.
My dad made me pick it up.
We're going to repair, huh? Let's go. We're going to repair. Oh, dude, come on. Come on. We're going to repair targets. Alright. Who's shooting next, Junior? The army guy? I showed you already the army gun. Whatever. I can't believe I actually shot off a target. I did this earlier, guys. I did this earlier.
I think I catch you back
I know you kept shooting at the dirt.
It's because. No, I think it's.
Oh, look, these are the pieces right here.
Move it over.
When I shot the gun, I thought the laser sights don't work. Like the, you know, those little dots. I thought those little dots don't work.
Oh, okay. You put them on the outside.